Good day everyone, this is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for today Tuesday until Thursday, March 12 to 14, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You. If you are interested to check out their program, just click on the link up here. And if you're viewing via Facebook channel, just click on the link at our description above the video, okay? And also the Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's start our update now. Here's the latest graph set that we created yesterday and valid until today. Yesterday we have the easterly surface wind flow, which has quickly returned after the blast of the northeast monsoon last weekend. And today we have another surge of a new northeast monsoon, but it will affect the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon, a little bit of the northernmost part of Bicol region within the next 24 to 48 hours. And based on our graph set last night, the developing frontal system right now is currently here over the area of the high pressure, and the northeast monsoon has begun to move downwards. Our latest satellite animation, so here's the developing frontal system yesterday, already a full-blown front, and it's having some shear line up to the North Philippine Sea and some breeze conditions. Strong winds are again returning across the northern Luzon and the eastern sections of eastern Luzon. Here's the zoom in satellite animation. You can clearly see here some cloudiness associated with the new surge of the northeast monsoon affecting northern and central Luzon, particularly the eastern sections where winds of up to 50 kph will be expected. Down here over the Bicol region, while clear skies will be expected over the Bicol region with some possible while over Visayas we have some cloudiness generated by the easterlies, as well as most parts of Mindanao. There will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms expected in the afternoon or evening. Here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, and as of now, here's the new surge of the northeast monsoon, just the remaining ones, okay, as we move into springtime. And we expect that the hot dry season is set to come in, particularly during April. And here's the remaining blast of the northeast monsoon affecting northern Luzon, and decreasing easterly winds over the Bicol region. Calm conditions will be expected, while easterlies will still prevail over eastern Visayas, west of Visayas, and also eastern and northern parts of Mindanao. By tomorrow afternoon, the northeast monsoon will still affect northernmost part of Luzon, Batanes, Babuyan, and it will move down across the eastern sections of central Luzon, northern Quezon, and the edge will be just to the north of Bicol region, so we expect a little bit of a northeasterly wind flow or weak Amihan over our region, but the chance of rainfall remains low. And also here over Visayas, some northeasterly wind flow and into the eastern sections of Mindanao. By Thursday, March 14, the northeast monsoon will begin, and we are now returning to the usual easterly wind flow beginning Thursday to Friday. And so far, that's the latest from our wind forecast. And if we take a look at the rain forecast, okay, here's the rain forecast, and here's the shear line extending near to the east coast of Aurora. And by tomorrow, some of its remnants will bring rain showers over the eastern sections of Aurora and northern Quezon. And on Thursday, March 14, there will be some light showers that could bring or could affect northern portions of the Bicol region like Camarines Norte, Southern Quezon, and Partido District. And on Friday, it looks like when we switch into easterlies, there will be some rain showers expected across the eastern sections of central Luzon, particularly over northern Quezon, Pudillo area, while the rest of the archipelago will remain cloudy with some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over the Visayas area. For the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday, much of the rainfall are concentrated across the eastern seaboards of or the eastern coastal areas of Cagayan, Isabela, northern Aurora, also here over the northern Quezon area, including Pudillo. That's much of the rainfall. There will be some showers still, a few ones over the Bicol region, while some localized thunderstorms or rain showers will be expected across the eastern sections of Mindanao, eastern Caraga, and eastern Davao Oriental, as well as the eastern coastal areas of Leyte. Okay? And so far, that's the latest. Now, let's take a look at the wave forecast for the next 3 days. So, today, we have 2 to 2.8 meters of wave height across the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea. Those facing the Bicol region, facing east from the Bicol region, east of Visayas, and east of Mindanao. While we have another surge here of the northeast monsoon over Batanes, Babuay, and Cubao Islands, where wave heights of 3 meters will be expected. The rest of the archipelago will remain calm to light waves of up to 1 to 1.5 meters, so it's suitable for fishing and the sea travel. And Wednesday afternoon, here's now the new blast of the northeast monsoon, bringing some rough seas across the eastern Philippine Sea, east of northern and central Luzon, where wave heights of up to 3 meters, while over the west of Batanes, Cubao Islands, over the northern part of the West Philippine Sea, wave heights of up to 4 meters will be expected, and it will be dangerous to small sea crafts, while the rest of the archipelago will remain calm to light waves of up to 1.5 meters, especially over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, over the West Philippine Sea, or the rest of the West Philippine Sea, particularly the Spratly Islands, Kalayaan Island Group, while here over the eastern portions of Visayas and Mindanao, wave heights will be from 1.5 to 2.5 meters. And on Thursday, the remaining large waves brought about by the departing northeast monsoon will also bring some wave heights of up to 2.5 meters across the eastern coastal waters of Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and down to 2 meters across the coastal waters of eastern Mindanao. The rest of the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, as well as the West Philippine Sea, will remain calm to light waves, and it's nice to have some travel by sea, as well as some fishing activities is perfect with this kind of waves, but not if you are facing the Philippine Sea, east of the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. So there you go. That's the latest for this Tuesday, and we'll return in the next couple of days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always. Have a great week ahead, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.